Lelicala lokubulala laba sematheni abantu benemibono ehlukene ngalo. Uphenyo lwamaphoyisa lwaholela ekuboshweni kwabasolwa abali-18 okubalwa kubo nababili asebekhulile. Uhlu lwabasolwa lwagcinela nabantu abayisishiyagalombili. Abasolwa ababili abakhulile uChwene Malika kanye noAlfred Mothapo batholwe benecala lokushaya ngenhloso yokulimaza. Abasolwa ababili abaneminyaka engaphansi kwe-18 bona bavume icala lokushaya.
There are those who were part of the assault from the beginning of stage 1 until stage 4. So the count has been changed. Now for the 4 young offenders, they were convicted of murder. And 2 adults, they were convicted of assault to cause grievous bodily harm. And then the last 2 teenagers, they've pleaded guilty. They were convicted of assault common.
INPA ithi igculisekile ngesinqumo senkantolo.
Remember, here we are dealing with the case of children, so it's obvious the court is going to look at the Child Justice Act. They can get the direct imprisonment because it's a serious offense. Because they have never shown any remorse also, the court can look at some of the things that was talked about right now.
Abasolwa bazogwetshwa ngoNhlolanja wangonyaka ozayo kanti bazoqhubeka nokuba ngaphandle ngebheyili.